Okie doke. Part 2 of the 3-part battery series here. Part 2 is going to be charger troubleshooting. What is the sign of a good charger and a bad charger? Okay, so a good charger, what would happen is you would plug the charger into the machine and then plug the charger into the wall, and then if you have an off-board charger like this, similar to this one, what's going to happen is once you plug it into the wall, you'll hear the charger humming as if there's electricity surging through it, because there is, and this gauge should climb. As the batteries are charging, the gauge will slowly, very slowly, it may take overnight, but slowly go down to 0. Once the gauge reaches 0, the charger will completely shut off, as in it won't hum anymore, and it will be completely dead, as in you won't hear it at all. So it should be no life in this charger if the charger is working properly and the batteries are all charged. Okay, so that is in the perfect world. That's how the charger should work. Okay, battery charger troubleshooting. If things are amiss with your charger, a good indicator is there will be battery acid on top of your batteries when you come in the next morning or after the charging cycle. The reason for that, usually, is the charger will stay on. It won't shut off completely, it'll continue to charge. There's something in here that senses when the batteries have charged, and if that sensor is not working properly, it will continue to charge even though your batteries are fully charged. What that does is it will create heat, unnecessary heat, way too much heat, and the water / battery acid that's in the cells will evaporate and boil to the point where it's going to get up on the battery acid is going to get on top of the batteries, as you see here, and well, it would cause all sorts of problems after that. The battery acid could spill over and eventually onto the floors, which is never good. So anyway, that is troubleshooting your battery charger. So if after the charger charges the batteries, if the charger does not completely shut off, or you have water on top of your, or battery acid as it were, on top of your batteries at the end of the charging cycle, chances are pretty good that you have a bad charger. Now that's nothing we would expect you to fix, but I just wanted to make everybody aware that that is a problem when it comes to charging your batteries, and you should alert the shop at that point and we can take care of it. Okay, that's the end of part 2.